One of the biggest fears many of us have as we get older is losing our independence. Not being able to carry our own groceries, struggling to get upstairs, or needing help getting up from a chair. Yes! The truth is that after the age of 50, we naturally begin losing muscle. And if we don't do something about it, those simple tasks become harder and harder and harder. Now, the good news is that our muscles respond remarkably well when we challenge them. At 70, staying strong has become one of my highest priorities. Not so I can lift heavy weights, but so I can continue to do the things that I love, like taking care of myself and feeling steady and confident on my feet. One of these exercises is so important that if I could only do one strength exercise for the rest of my life, this would be it. And I'll show you what it is in a few minutes. So in this video, I'm going to show you the handful of strength exercises I never skip because they helped me to prepare for my hip surgery, to make recovery easier, rebuild the muscle that I lost after the surgery, and stay independent. So let's get started. I always start with some kind of warm-up. Today I'm doing calf raises. This exercise gets the blood moving through your legs and hips. It also helps stabilize your ankles, which protects you from injury. I'm not doing this for balance, and that's why I'm using the chair for support. The goal is leg and hip strengthening. When I began doing this exercise, I started with 2 sets of 10 and would do it twice a week. Now I do 3 sets of 10 every day. If you really want to challenge yourself, you can do this exercise standing with your heels hanging off the side of a stair step, or as I used, a yoga block. Go slowly and it drops your heels into a deeper stretch. One of the things I still struggle with is lowering myself to the floor and getting back up without help. These wall squats are the most recommended way to strengthen the muscles involved in getting up and down. Using the ball takes any strain off your lower back. It gives you better posture while encouraging you to engage your core muscles. It's a great starting point for rehab. It reduces knee stress and increases the activation of your thigh muscles. I do 3 sets of 10. This exercise ball has become one of the best tools that I've discovered. You can do a full strength workout with it that's easy on your joints while being very, very effective. With it, you can do movements that are hard to duplicate on gym machines. Just squeezing the ball like this not only works the muscles in your hands, so it's great if you have arthritis and sore joints, but it's also working your forearm muscles right here. If you want, I can do another video showing you the multiple ways that I use this ball, aside from what I'm showing you here now. So just let me know in the comments below. These ball squeezes may not look like much, but this works the muscles in your inner thigh and lower pelvic areas. It stabilizes the hips. Last year, this area suffered severe muscle guarding. It's how the body protects areas that are injured. Squeezing the ball for 10 times for a count of 10 each time really helps to awaken those muscles without causing any pain. However, this next exercise was a game changer. This version of leg lifts works the core without stressing your lower back. With one leg bent, you lift the other up to meet the angle of the bent leg. This strengthens the hip flexors. When I first tried this exercise last year, I wasn't able to lift my leg at all. I tried, but it wouldn't move. 6 months after my hip surgery, I was able to do 10 lifts on each side with 2-pound ankle weights. Now I do 2 sets of 10. If I could only do one exercise, this is the one. I will do this daily for the rest of my life. It works core, gives you some cardio, inner thigh, groin, butt, and hips. All the things you need for stability and balance, while reducing lower back pain. My upper body workout is quick and easy, but it gets the job done. It's hammer curls for a count of 8, followed by rows for a count of 8. I'm turning to the side so you can see my knees are bent and my back is straight. Then triceps kickback for a count of 8. And then press your arms backwards with straight elbows for a count of 8. Then I repeat the whole set one more time. If you feel any stress in your back, you can use one hand to support your back and do the kickbacks one arm at a time, like I'm showing you here. I'm using the bed to take some of the strain off my back. Follow that up with bringing elbows together and pulse for 10. You can do this with or without weights depending on your strength level. And at the end, I'm out of breath. My balance is excellent, mostly thanks to Tai Chi walking drills, but I wanted to show you one challenging exercise that I do for balance. It's a step up onto a foam pad and then hold for a few seconds. The stair rail is there for support if you need it. I started my balance training by standing on one leg for 30 seconds, but that quickly became too easy, so my therapist added the foam, then the stair, then the foam on the stair step. On this day, my left leg had much better balance than my right. It just depends on how tired my legs are on any given day. Also, those flip-flops are probably not recommended. I was just too lazy to change into a more supportive shoe. Because of chronic hip pain last year and the accompanying muscle guarding, I lost muscle mass, but not as much as I could have because I was doing physical therapy exercises 2 times a week. These exercises were for strength and flexibility. This year, I've been building back what I lost, which has given me peace of mind as well as stronger glutes. By maintaining and building muscle mass, I can easily climb stairs, lift and carry heavy objects, and know that I am protecting my bones while lowering my risk of falling. So let me know your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, then please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more from me, then consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing around here. And share your thoughts in the comments below. If you have any questions for me about my recovery and getting stronger, put those in the comments below as well. Thank you so much for watching today. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you for supporting my channel. And until I see you in my next video, I'm just going to wish you a wonderful day, wonderful week. Take good care of yourselves, and I'll talk to you again very, very soon. Bye.